what do you do exactly? What is your background?
So what I do is I come in and I take air samples, I take swabs, lift-offs, I scan the walls, scan the ceilings, overnight express the samples to the lab for testing, and we're able to determine what is going on with the building. So all homes, all buildings have mold. All buildings and all homes do not have elevated levels of mold. So what I want to determine is the issues that people have in their building.
So when somebody calls you up and you go over to their building or you go over to their home, what is the process that you actually go through to evaluate their mold problem?
We're talking about the air sample.
Yeah.
We're talking about the lift-off, which is basically a lift-off like Scotch tape. The other sample that I do is the swab, which is basically like a Q-tip.
Okay.
So we need that sample
Yeah.
to get the intel from the lab. Also, another thing that so many people do not do that I do is moisture level readings.
So.